And welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another SMFX Pro Traders video. Or should I say the market surgeon? You choose. Anyway, I just wanted to make an analysis video for you guys today. We're going to be looking at US30 and gold. I think I should add gold to the mix today. Last video that I shared with you guys, last analysis video that I shared with you guys, I specifically said that we were eyeing out this 8-hour key level, right? Now this move took forever to take place, or rather to happen, but eventually it has transpired, and we've been waiting for quite some time for this move to happen. We are still expecting lower prices towards the downside. There we go. Okay, I half expected we were gonna probably gap to the upside, but that did not happen. Well, I was expecting it since it was a holiday yesterday. What's happening here? Oh, okay. Well, I think that can work. I'm not sure, perhaps it's going to be annoying for some people. I don't know. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So what's the move? What's the outlook? Right now the outlook is a continued sell to this 8-hour key level, and that's just my take. We still do have a fair value gap around this region over here. I wouldn't necessarily say that it was all the way mitigated. Oh yeah, no, actually it was mitigated, but it's fine. I'm looking at this kilo right now. That's the kilo that I'm eyeing out at this current point, and this is on the 4-hour time frame. On the 8-hour time frame, that is my expected key level. Okay, I am expecting lower prices, and the reason why I say I'm expecting lower prices on this move right now is obviously we are bearish. We had that nice retracement back to this key level over here. That's the secondary key level on the 4-hour time frame that wasn't broken to the upside. So this simply means that we are still expecting lower prices. Yes, all the way to the 8-hour key low, and that is our expectation for a US30. Now retracement would potentially push all the way back to this fair value gap over here. So you know how crazy US30 gets. It can actually push all the way back to these highs over here, and potentially even back to the secondary, or shoot straight for the POC before an expected continuation move to the downside. That is also a possibility here. Okay, so we're not going to ignore that possible factor. Same thing is happening here with Nasdaq. We are expecting lower prices. So I see that price just recently dropped as well back to this key level over here, and we are primarily bearish, and also secondary structure is bearish on Nasdaq, so expecting lower prices as well. Now I am seeing price drop to as far as the weekly low key level, right? Because if you look at what happened just recently, we had a secondary key break of structure over here. We left this new secondary structural key level. Price came back, tagged that key level, and then now we are onto a sell continuation move to the downside. What are we targeting? We're targeting this possible key low over here. Let's do this first. I just want to check. Yeah, that was a primary structure getting broken on the weekly time frame. We're done with that. So new key level is our secondary low. I would like to target this key level specifically, as that is where price actually closed. Anything lower, then obviously we're just reaching over to the extension of that wick. Excuse me. So yeah, we're expecting lower prices. We had a deep retracement move all the way back to this high, but excuse me, we're done with that, and right now we are expecting lower prices as we hold and wait. Sells in play. Okay, rushing over to gold. What's happening on gold? I haven't analyzed gold in quite a minute. It's still fairly bullish, and we just took out this maximum key level over here. That was just price clearing that high. I wouldn't necessarily say that we're going to close bullish. We're just gonna have to see how everything plays out. It is a Tuesday, it's still too early in the week to make any decisions here, but we have a price pushing all the way to this high over here. By the way, there's nothing here, just by the way. I miscalculated this move. I thought this was a bullish candle. It's not a bullish candle, so this is irrelevant. That high doesn't even count. Price is just morally bullish at this point. Okay, yeah, that's literally all there is to say about gold, except for the fact that we do have a primary key level over here on gold, and we also have a fair value gap right here. So what's happening? Do we have any possible chances of a sell taking place? Let's do this. I just want to shift this to the side. It's currently disturbing the peace. Shift back to the 4-hour time frame. So we failed. Price failed that primary break on the 4-hour time frame. So there's a high likelihood that price might actually resume and continue pushing all the way to the upside, because we do have a key secondary structural key level over there, and we just tagged it slightly. It wasn't much, but yeah, we tagged it slightly. So what I am expecting out of this asset is a continued push to the upside. Go back to the weekly time frame. I want to see if we have an official close here. Yes, we actually do. So price would actually need to close below this key level over here if we are to see a retracement all the way back to our monthly low. Okay, that's on gold, by the way. So right now we're still bullish, and I am expecting higher prices. I don't see gold halting its move from the bullish stance. Right, feel like we still have a lot of highs to hit, and yeah, I'm seeing gold soaring for perhaps the next couple of days. You don't know, maybe next couple of weeks. We don't really know, but yeah, this is our maximum key level. Yeah, a breaking close below this one sets us down to our monthly or weekly. Is it our monthly or weekly? Let's see if we can access our, it's all perfect. Yes, actually we can access it. So yeah, it would set us up to seeing possibly lower prices on the monthly time frame here. So it would be a huge drop. Gold would have to be selling for quite a number of weeks in order for us to get back here. Now that would be the retracement move, but I'm seeing a continued push here. I'm not seeing a retracement. I am not seeing a retracement. Looking at the way that price is moving right now, there's no way that we're gonna be retracing anytime soon, unless price closed above this key level here. Specifically, it would have to close above this key level over here, right, breaking this primary structural key level, and then only then would I expect a possible retracement back to maybe even this low over here, because if price breaks and closes above here, then ultimately this becomes secondary structure. So then we would shift from this low to that being our near low for a possible retracement to the downside. But anyway, yeah, this is all I have for you guys for today and possibly this week. We'll see how everything plays out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you find some value from it, and let's stay making money. Cheers.